absolutely sick. It goes up there, he's able to control it. He goes up super high, he makes turns. The views you see of the mountains, the beautiful water, the land, the ocean, and everything around it is fantastic. Happy New Year to everybody, and stay tuned for this episode.
Powamoto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rock.
Powamoto.
Jonathan's going for a flight on Powa. You're in Puerto Rico, baby. Keep watching the videos. We traveling. Hey guys, welcome to the skies. I'm Sky Champion, and today I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey as I set soar through the air on this Powamoto. It's called Paramotor, actually. Anyway, guys, get ready to experience the thrill in flight. I want you to explore these breathtaking views with me and feel the freedom of the open sky. Let's ignite the adventure together and chase our dreams. Up and away! It's Powamoto. They're watching from Miami.
Bueno, saludos. Aquí estamos en Puerto Rico. Estamos volando en Atillo, Puerto Rico. Estamos en el grupo de los Paratrevidos. Hoy vamos a hacer un pequeño demo de lo que sería un vuelo demostrativo a full launch, o sea, agua a pie.
Perfect.
Vamos a hacer unas pequeñas pruebas debido a que el viento está un poquito cruzado. Más adelante, en este caso, vamos a tener entonces lo que es el vuelo del trike, que lo tenemos disponible aquí a mano derecha.
Gotcha.
Y así que nos vemos en 10 minutos.
Okay. Here's your RS-206 proven power and performance HE exhaust. Do not try this at home. Safety first.
He's up! He's up, baby! He's up!
That's where you sit. That's for the pilot. That'll get you up there. Let's go for a ride with the Helix. He's checking everything to verify that all of the lines are correct, that there's nothing missing, and everything is in order. Before he launches this flight, he verifies everything. The propeller, the Helix, he checked it out. The strength of the motor, he checked it out. The wings, he's got to check it out. Stay tuned and subscribe today.
Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram.
Getting ready, huh? Capitan, Junior Capitan. Have your protection. This is for the connection, for the sound, right? Para el voz. This is for the voice, guys, so you guys can hear me. We're gonna be up there. It's gonna be fantastic. Automatic life vest. Okay. But I know how to swim. I'm good. Save me! Here with the HE motor, baby. It's got their own exhaust and a Helix carbon fiber. If you want to get out here and ride this thing, it does cost funds. Just check the number in the description down below and get your appointment scheduled today. This thing is going to be sick. Absolutely sick.
As soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the
You heard me?
Let's go, let's go. It's Powamoto.
Si le digo que haces y la copy. Ábreme la ventana para ventilar este humo. No way, Mr. Officer. Soy un trap star, si you know. Fumo, bebo, vendo. ¿Qué le digo? You know where I'ma send you. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam. Ay, spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up.
See you, buddy. Thank you. Feliz.
Pawamoto, subscribe.